In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva designs as SVG files, a step that can really streamline your workflow if you're working with graphic designs or web elements. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each stage of the process so you can easily download your files in this versatile format. To begin, make sure you have your Canva design open on your screen. Now the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Share button. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking here opens up a variety of options for sharing and exporting your design. This is your gateway to turning your project into a downloadable file. Once you've clicked Share, direct your attention to the drop-down menu and click on Download. This option is essential, as it allows you to select the file type in which to save your design. The great thing about Canva is that it provides multiple formats you can choose from, depending on what best suits your needs. After selecting Download, you'll notice that the default setting is often PDF standard. However, we're here specifically for the SVG file option, so you'll need to click on this menu and hunt for SVG from the list of formats. Keep in mind though that this feature is only available if you're a Canva Pro user. The SVG format is unique in that it maintains the quality of your design, making it scalable to any size without losing resolution. This is especially valuable for logos or icons used in responsive web design. Now after choosing SVG, you're almost ready to wrap up. Simply click on the download button to begin saving your design to your computer. That's it. You have successfully converted your Canva creation into an SVG file, ready to use for any project where a vector format is necessary. Remember, having your design in SVG format is a big advantage if you plan on editing it further in other software or using it in projects where clarity and scalability are crucial. Plus, being able to maintain the consistency of your design's appearance across different screen sizes and resolutions is invaluable. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can save any of your Canva designs as an SVG file, ready for anything from web development to scalable print projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insightful videos on graphic design and tips for using Canva like a pro. See you in the next one.